Morris Engines. I'm Steve Morris, and this is an engine that we've built for Grant Frazier from California. This is a 615 cubic inch big block Chevrolet with our intake manifold, our billet intake manifold that we make here, billet valve covers, etc. Our belt drive bracketry and fuel pump, oil pump mounts, and alternator mount on this one because he wants an alternator on it. The fuel pump line clearly doesn't go here except for on the dyno. 136 Pro Charger has our ProVolute bell on it. Now this bell is one that we actually make for an air filter. Grant is a sand dragger, and this thing actually goes into a Hummer. Very cool piece. Excuse me. It has all of our normal packages here. Clearly you can see the Moran injectors, this Holley EFI, coil on plug, had the Big Waterman fuel pump, and all of our normal stuff that we put into these engines. So everything from our own piston designs, crank, camshaft, connecting rod, all that good stuff. So anyways, real nice piece here. As you can see, dry sump tank there. What we're gonna do, this is clearly this is on methanol, so non-intercooled, no water in the motor. And what we're gonna do is this pipe actually is, we're hoping that this whole pipe, if you notice how low profile our stuff is, we kind of get down here at the center line of the blower, you're kind of looking at seeing what that stuff is. So maximum hood clearance, but we have a lot of design and a lot of effort put into these intake manifolds for proper fuel distribution, which we do see good fuel distribution, pretty minimal enrichment differences in between cylinders that we have from front to back. Anyways, like I said, very good piece here. What we're going to do is go out. Now this is on, we have 3 different boost level tunes for it. We're going to run this thing and go out and show you all the numbers. Alright, now we'll come over here. Alright, now let's take a look at the numbers here. Let me back up from the screen. You can see the peak number right there, 3029 at 8200. 2006 foot-pounds of torque at 7,000. Nice broad flat right here. It's just starting to roll right here, so I normally don't run things, especially a bigger motor like this, or 8500 or so. I mean, they run up there all the time on the track, but it's scarier on the dyno. So anyways, real good numbers through here. That is at let's see here, 40 right here, 41 pounds of boost at 8200 RPM. Everything looks real good. Oil pressure 104. You can see all our peaks all through there. All that looks really good. Super happy for that. Nice piece. Still spinning this. Actually, there's more left in the blower if we want to spin it a little bit faster. This is where we wanted it to be, and there's always room for improvement, but we will be probably detuning this anyways. I'm thinking if there's anything else here. Other than that, I think that's all set. Real good piece for Grant Fraser. Real nice engine, 615 cubic inch, like I said, methanol, 136. And I'm Steve Morris, Steve Morris Engines.